Hi. I always do that. Hi. Just give myself a minute. Hi. Welcome back to another video. So right now we're just behind the house. So as last video was all about the garage. This is the garage here. So right now this is the back of the garage. So we haven't actually done anything to the back yet. And as you can see, there's just a lot of junk back here. It's an eyesore. It really needs to be cleaned up. So what we're doing this week is we're gonna just build a gate and just block this off. We're gonna clean it up, freshen this whole back up, and then whatever's exposed on the back here, we'll finish with the pine, and we'll get that finished. The fences are all gonna get redone because they're not looking too great. We're gonna try as best we can to keep the existing posts so we don't have to dig. It's winter, obviously, and we'll just reface it, so that'll be easy. Okay, so here's just the other angle of our backyard. So these are all the additions that wrap around to the back, and they will all be coming off. So all that's going to be left is just of the house, is just all the brick portion. And then we're going to build a big wraparound ground level deck. So it'll be a beautiful oasis back here. It'll be lots of space. So this is the fence we're going to be working on this week. We're going to reface all of it. Yeah, so this is our little tour. It's all coming down, beautiful oasis. And just back here, we've just got a little nook. We're gonna clean it up, get rid of all this garbage, reface it. And I don't think we'll be doing a deck in this portion, but nice patio stones. It's just a nice little corner that gets the morning sun. So we'll retreat, you can have your coffee. That'll be pretty great. What are you thinking, Al?
I'm just trying to figure out where to start.
Oh. Well, why don't do we want to clean this out later, or?
Yeah, let's just get some of these fence boards off.
You want to start with getting these fence boards off?
Yeah, and this post is crooked, so the rest are pretty straight.
Oh, how do we straighten that one?
Well, it's just sort of nailed to the tree there, so...
You sound kind of raspy. Were you up late last night?
No. I'm out here on a Sunday in the cold snow building a fence.
You sound like, you didn't get disease you needed.
I got disease.
Okay. Where do you want to start taking them off? Like at this post?
Yeah, let's start at that post. And then
okay. So you're saying demo time?
Yeah. So get to it. I'm gonna have my tea and supervise.
What is that?
There we go.
Jesus.
What?
You almost taking the whole thing.
No, I'm just straightening it out. I need some screws.
Right here. And the #1 deckhand. Up to the camera.
Okay, so now hold this, hold it straight. A bit more.
We're straightening the fence. Oh, I have to check the level?
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
All right. There we go. Right there. Is that gonna hold? Perfect. It's level.
Okay.
Excited to get these fence boards up?
I am.
It's a quick result. We did all the prep work. What?
It's cold.
It's freezing. It's February, but we're doing it.
February fence.
Hey, Al. So we're building this gate for the area that's going to be closed off. And we're not professional gate builders, but let's just see what Alex comes up with. We're just kind of winging it, I think. Have you ever built a gate before?
Once.
That was our last project, right?
Yeah.
How did it turn out, do you think?
Well, it looked good, but it was a bit wobbly.
Yeah? Okay, so we're gonna...
I'm gonna correct my mistake this time, though.
See, it's all about learning from your mistakes.
Trial and error.
Trial and error. Okay, so we got our frame made for the gate. I say we, Alex. We're gonna just test fit it now, see if he got it right.
Okay, swing it in.
Ooh, that fits pretty good.
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Come over and help me get this in place.
So we faced our door, and now we're gonna see how these hinges go on. We bought a nice hinge kit with sort of nice hardware, so hopefully it looks really good. It's gonna work, so that's great news. All right, we are finished back here. Really freshens things up, cleans it up. Love the clean lines. We cut back this tree, so it just really opens up this space and just cleared out all the junk. So this is all the work we're gonna do outside for now until the weather warms up. There's our gate that creates a bit of storage back there and really just tidies this area up. So we got our building permits, full on construction inside, which is very exciting. And now I am inspired to get out my label maker and organize all our tools and just create a little area where they can be. That's what I'm doing next. Hi, so I did talk about this little area where I've got all the tools organized and labeled with my label maker. So I'm going to show you where it is. It's actually in the garage, and I call it the cave. So we drywalled it quick so I could create a cave. So it's more than just a tool area. It's a place to hang out in the midst of a renovation. Come on in. This is the area. So what I did is I got some patio furniture in here, and it's just a place you can come, hang, have your lunch. You can even like barbecue your lunch up if you want. And then come check out our tools. You know, I just did that. We just got a little string when you need it. You see it, you get it. It's perfect. Scissors, all that stuff. X-Acto knives, and you can never run out of these pencils. These are very important to have. So you come in and you know where they are. Drill bits, driver bits, spades, work gloves, cotton. And then of course you always need a little music when you're hanging out in the cave. So that's what that is. Extra blades, metal cutters, side cutters, utility knives, scissors, brad nails and staples, mini screwdrivers, you name it, we got it. And it is labeled and easy to find. Our DeWalt bags, which normally are horribly disgusting, smell like Game because I wash them with Game, and then I put a bit of fabric softener in there because, well, that's just what I did. So I'm just going through my buckets just to make sure that everybody's putting things back where they belong, you know, like they learned in orientation. So this is brad nails and staples, and I'm a little concerned actually because this is neither a brad nail nor is it a staple. It's a pencil sharpener. It does not belong in this bucket, so we can't have that. It's a good thing I'm on top of this, right? Otherwise it'd just be chaos around here.